guys, welcome to my channel where I share easy and affordable beauty tutorials. So I'm trying to do the little half up half down and like curly in the back with the braids in the front. And I'm not a braider, so I've been a little nervous to do it, but I really wanted to. So I did 2 little braids so far. I had to practice before I started to do like the video because I didn't know if I was gonna keep trying to do this or if I was just gonna be like whatever and give up. But my inspo pick is this one here. I like how her braids are like not just straight back, you know, like going to the side and all of that good stuff. Now her braids look great. You can see they're stitch braids, and this is what I have. I'm trying, but this is the inspo, and I'm just gonna come up with whatever we get. I'm not doing the little crisscross there. I already know that's doing too much for me, but this is what I have so far, and I think it could look right. I don't know. But I parted my hair. Let me tell you what I did so far. So far I parted my hair off with the like half up, half down part. This is the portion of the hair that's gonna be down. This is the portion of the hair that's gonna be braided. But I feel like I left too much hair out. So I'm gonna repart that right now, and then we'll start the rest of my braids. Okay, so let me tell you guys how I did this style. I just kind of went with it. I parted my hair and started the braids. It took me a while. I'm not the best at braiding, but I really wanted to do this hairstyle, so I just did it. Now for the braids, I did from side to side, and I left the middle portion last. So I'm just doing my best, doing the best I can with what I got for these braids. And I stopped braiding my hair right at my ear. Sometimes I kind of feel like the braids are too far back, and it can kind of make this hairstyle look a little funny to me personally. So I like my hair to stop right where I would have my half up, half down stop, and that is always right at the back of my ear. That's always where I make my part. So that's what I did on this, and I just kept going until I finished the braid. So once I finished my braids, I did rubber band 2 braids together like I'm doing right here. Because the braids were so small, I just rubber banded 2 together, and now I'm ready to wand curl. Now I don't know what was up with me in my hair on this day. My wand curls were not looking like they usually look, but I still went with it, and I am using a 1/2 inch wand curler. I believe this wand curler is from Bedhead. I got it from Ulta. I always get my tools from Ulta, but I think you probably can get this at Walmart, Target, anything. It's just the Bedhead wand curler. So I'm just wand curling my hair all the way up. I'm trying to take smaller sections because I do want it to be fuller, on the fuller side, like if I were to have added hair to my style. You definitely can add hair. It would be cuter in my opinion, just a lot fuller. But I didn't feel like it. I didn't feel like wand curling all of that hair. So I just did my regular hair. And then if you don't have hair on hand, it's cheaper for you to just use your natural hair. So I'm doing that all the way up until I finish, and then I'm going to separate my wand curls to make the style even fuller again. And to separate them, all you're going to do is pull them down and then kind of pull them apart, not all the way apart, but kind of separate them to where the curl is wider, and that should get you a bigger curl without like disturbing it. So that's pretty much it for the tutorial. Of course, you're going to do your edges as much or as little as you want, and then you're all set. You're done. So I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. This is definitely the hairstyle of the summer, I will say, so far. I actually tried this style in a different way that I'm going to share with you guys in just a moment, but for now, I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel for more beauty tutorials or just like hair inspiration, and then sometimes wellness videos. So stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching, and I cannot wait to see you all in the next one.